For this scene, I wanted to play with vegetables and make vegetable violence. So I took celery, I broke it, I tore it up, I chewed on it. You can take more wet vegetables like a cantaloupe or even a tomato, and you can kind of like pummel your hand into it and it creates gore effects. Let's listen closely to this. Now let's try biting it. Let's just listen to a couple of these takes. By pitching it down a little bit, it sounds a little more menacing. It sounds like a tear/bite, which is here. You know, it's one of those things where it's part of the mix and it's felt and not heard explicitly. It's what we want.